Hey there, welcome back to Futurize. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money using AI. Artificial intelligence has become a game changer in various industries, and it's not just about robots and sci-fi anymore. AI presents incredible opportunities for individuals and businesses to generate income in innovative ways. So, if you're curious about how you can leverage AI for financial gain, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, we have freelancing and the gig economy. Are you skilled in areas like data annotation, machine learning, natural language processing, or even AI-driven graphic design? Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a vast marketplace for AI-related services. Companies are seeking experts to help them label data for training models, develop chatbots, create AI-driven content, and much more. This can be a fantastic way to earn money while contributing to the AI revolution. Now, let's talk about creating your own AI-powered applications and tools. If you're a developer or have a brilliant app idea, incorporating AI can set you apart. Think about health and fitness apps that use AI for personalized workout plans, language learning apps with AI-driven speech recognition, or even AI-powered recommendation systems for e-commerce. Monetize through app sales, in-app purchases, or subscription models. Moving on, let's explore content creation and marketing. AI can help streamline your content creation process, making it more efficient and engaging. Consider using AI tools to generate blog posts, social media captions, or even video scripts like the one we're making right now. Additionally, AI can enhance your marketing efforts by analyzing consumer data, optimizing ad campaigns, and personalizing user experiences. This can lead to increased conversions and revenue. If you're more interested in the financial aspect, investing in AI stocks and ventures could be for you. Many companies focused on AI technologies are publicly traded, offering you a chance to invest in their growth. Moreover, venture capital firms are actively seeking innovative AI startups to fund. If you're knowledgeable about the AI landscape, this could be a profitable way to participate in the AI revolution. Education is another avenue where AI can help you make money. Leverage your AI expertise to create and sell online courses or tutorials. There's a growing demand for individuals who can simplify complex AI concepts and provide practical guidance. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable offer a platform to share your knowledge while earning a steady income. Last but not least, we have AI-generated content and products. AI can create art, music, designs, and even poetry. If you're not a content creator yourself, you can still profit by using AI to generate unique products. Imagine an AI-generated artwork print shop or personalized AI-written books. With a touch of creativity, you can turn AI-generated content into a profitable venture. So there you have it, a variety of ways to make money using AI. The key is to identify your strengths, interests, and the AI-related skills you possess. Whether you're a developer, a content creator, an investor, or someone looking to teach and share knowledge, the AI landscape offers boundless opportunities. Remember, the AI field is evolving rapidly, so stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the possibilities. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future explorations.